Okay, it is April, and you know what that means. That means that winter is almost over, but it is not officially over in Northeast Ohio until it snows at a Cleveland Guardians game. This is science. Okay, the biggest thing we've got going on this month is and this is to the best of my knowledge, the first time this is done in the industry, what we're calling the IT Self-Assessment Workshop. And what this is for those of you who are in charge of the IT for your organization. Whether it's an IT director, CIO, you're the guy or gal who's responsible, whatever. We're going to walk you through. This is going to be on April 19th from 8:30 to noon in Independence, and this is free. But what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through a self-evaluation of IT for your organization, and it is going to be, the goal is to essentially identify very roughly the overall health based on categories and metadata within those categories, both from a productivity standpoint and from a protection standpoint. And give you some ideas of what risks you're operating under and what some opportunities are and how well integrated you are from a business and internal and IT standpoint go. And you're going to walk away with what I think are going to be some great takeaways that you can use to help improve the way you are delivering IT services to your organization. So, yes, it's a way for us to introduce our co-managed IT offerings. No, it's not a sales pitch. And more importantly, it is designed to add value. Again, April 19th from 8:30 to noon. Go to simplex-it.com/ITSAW, and you'll find more information as well as a place to sign up. So we've still got some openings there. Take advantage of it. The other thing I want to talk about is this past Saturday, April 1st, we announced our latest software as a service. And you'll see a link below, comments, and elsewhere in the newsletter and the like to find out more about it. Make sure everyone's aware because they all need to hear it. Another thing that's kind of cool is those of you in Italy or who are going to be in Italy in June, there's actually a one-day MSP day that's going to be on June 9th in Italy. That's going to basically be bringing a lot of managed service providers there. Why do I care so much about Italy? I always care about Italy, but maybe a little bit more so here because I will be there in person speaking about co-managed IT services. That's right. I will be in Italy on June 9th at MSP Day, and I'm looking forward to talking with folks because one thing I've discovered is that managed services, let alone co-managed services, are different. And there's different interpretations and the like, and I'm really interested in hearing different perspectives just on general managed services as well as co-managed services. So looking forward to that as well. Finally, I appreciate the positive feedback that I've received and about the BizTech Twist podcast. We've got, I think, 6 or 7 episodes that have been released yet as of this week. We've actually got another 10 or so in the bank, and I'm actually scheduled with guests over the next month or so, both Northeast Ohio guests as well as industry guests on the managed service side. It's actually pretty cool. A lot of the conversations are happening. Again, the idea is let's look at a tried and true topic, but with a bit of a different perspective on it. And it's going pretty well. Actually, would love to hear some feedback from you, but also would love it if you would help share and spread the word on that. Thanks. Or if you're interested in being a guest, contact me. And with that, honestly, this is a relatively short rant, probably all for the better. And hope you're all doing well and look forward to seeing you, talking to you, whatever. As always, anything I can do to help, Bob at simplex-it.com. Take care.